Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I've just been having a few hours of trying to sort out my ephemera. Now I've got lots of fussy cuts. Now these have been previously printed and I just want to find an easier way of storing them so they're more accessible for me, so I can see what I've got. So what I have done today, I've got some acetate sheets and I've made these lovely little pouches. Now these have got all my little words and phrases in here. I've got these ones in here. I've got my beautiful butterflies. This is a new fussy cut flowers that will be coming out. It's either in the shop now or it will be in tomorrow. We've got some journaling cards here, or little ephemera bits here. So I just wanted them, and I've got this little plastic pot here, and I thought I'm just going to, for now, pop them in there so I can just have a look through like this and see what we've got. Now these are just so simple. I'm using these little snap buttons again, which I've used previously on different things. So they just pop close, so you've got a really simple little envelope, and it is clear, so you can see exactly what you've got. I have sewn around these. I'm not quite sure how long they will last. We shall see. But I do have these ones here, which, wherever it's gone, here it is. These ones here, which were 35 cents from my little cheap shop, but I don't have any left, and they didn't have any, so I thought I'd have a go at making them. These are a little bit nicer. These are obviously a little bit stronger than what I've got, but they've got the little snap buttons on, and they are so simple, and I love them, and they're easy to use as well. So I thought I'd give it a go. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm not going to show you on a piece of acetate because you won't be able to see, but I'm going to just show you how I folded it on a piece of tea stain paper. Simple, just like an envelope. You fold it up like that, fold it down, fold it down like that, if I can speak, and then just fold this. And then what you do, you put your little popper in there, and I've just sewn around it on the sewing machine. So that's how you fold it, just like you would fold an envelope. Now I've got one here. Now you probably won't be able to see it very well, but I'm going to show you how to use the buttons. Now I might put this underneath, whether that's going to make any difference. Let's open it up. Might be a little bit easier to see, I'm not sure. I don't want to get all the light in the reflections on everything. So I've got my little snap buttons. Now a lot of you have asked me how these work. Now I've got this little set here, and you get this little tool that you need to go with it. I've got this in my Amazon shop, so you can go and take a look on my Amazon storefront, which is a link under the video. I've got the UK one and the American one. Super simple to use. Now you want two of the same, like these little ones here, so you need to pick out two of those, but the other little clips are different. So you've got one like that and one like that, okay? So you'll be able to see the two different sorts of those. So you one of those and one of those. So that will be the top and that will be the bottom, okay? So I'm going to do it on the acetate. So on the bottom piece, the one that you're going to actually clip into, you want to put the little one with a flat back underneath. It's almost like a little drawing pin, a little push pin. So make a little hole and push it underneath like that. And then you want to take this one, which is the one with the little hollow bit in and not the bit that sticks out, and put that over the top like that. And then you get your little machine, your little tool here, pop that underneath, can you see, and it just clamps it down like that. And what happens is the little plastic bit that sticks out, this squashes that down. So you've got like a little metal pin in here which squashes it down and attaches it in there, so it squashes it flat so it doesn't come out. So that's how it works. And then this one you want to just pop through there, and again that one is at the top and that goes underneath. like that. Squash that on, and then you just put that underneath and squash it down. Really, really simple to use, and then you just clip it in. Really easy. And what you would do, I've sewn it, so put them on before you sew the sides down, because it's a lot easier to do. But if you don't want to sew, I'm not quite sure how you would do it, but this is how I do it. It's easier to sew down the sides, so it keeps it all in place, and then it just pops like that. Really, really simple. So that's how you use the little snap buttons, and you've got lots and lots of different colours in here, and they're really, really lovely. I've used loads of them, but you get hundreds in there, absolutely hundreds in there. So that's what I thought I would show you, what I have been up to today. So I'm just trying to sort of like get a little bit of organisation with my fussy cuts and words, and I thought this is the best way for now, as I will probably change through the year. I change it all the time, but I thought I would just try these for now. I can pop them in here, I can keep them on my desk, and then I can see exactly what I have got. So I thought you would like to see what I've been up to today, just in case you want to give it a go. They are sort of like acetate sheets. I've got a link, I believe, on my Amazon shop. They're not too thick, but any plastic sheet will probably do, as long as it's got a little bit of stability to it. So that's what I will be doing. I'm going to be fussy cutting these out later on the sofa, watching a movie of some sort. These are ones that I had already printed out, which I need to fussy cut and pop in my little bag. So there we go, guys. That's what I've been doing. And what I'll be doing, I'll be sat there, nice glass of wine, watching the telly with a pair of scissors. So there we go, guys. Have a lovely evening, and I will see you soon. Please stay safe, take care, and have a lovely, lovely evening. All right, guys, speak to you soon. Bye-bye.